लड़की हो कैसा देखती हो तो तुम्हारे पास
Okay, am I audible to everyone?
I'm fine, ma'am, and you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you? I asked, am I audible to everyone? आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Ma'am, you are audible to us.
Okay, so Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas, ma'am.
Merry Christmas, ma'am. Merry
Okay. Okay, I decorated all the things for all of you. How do you find my decoration?
Merry
Ma'am, it's very good.
Merry Christmas, ma'am.
Very good.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Okay, fantastic. Okay. Okay. So now almost everyone joined us.
Let's start.
Shall we start the celebration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before starting, let me know. I asked everyone to prepare some performance or something. आप लोगों में से किसने preparation की है?
Start.
Did you prepare anything?
Ma'am, can you once?
Can you hear me, kids?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
So we all are gathered here for celebrating Christmas Day. So let me know why we celebrate Christmas. Anybody know?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, Suhani Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Suhani.
Okay.
Okay. Let me find it out. Suhani knows, Anya knows, Ridhima knows. Oh my God. So one by one, everybody gonna reply. Okay? One by one. Okay? One by one, please. Okay? So the Chutku one, Ridhima will tell, then Anya will tell, then Suhani. Shipra, I forgot the name. Sorry. So let's start with Ridhima.
No need to mention.
Oh, no need to mention. Okay. Okay, Garanti is also there. Hello, Garanti.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
What are you?
I am also fine, Garanti. Welcome to the celebration. Okay, so Ridhima, tell us why we celebrate Christmas Day.
Ma'am, I'm here. Tell you about Christmas Day. It is very nice festival. Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to all children. Enjoy this festival. Thank you.
Very good. Everybody clap for Ridhima. Very good. Actually, I could not listen it properly. Whatever you spoke, you were very far from the mobile phone maybe. Okay? So Ridhima, please come closer to the mobile. थोड़ा पास में आकर बोलो so that I can hear properly. Yes. Okay, now tell.
तुमको भी बोलना पड़ेगा क्या बोल रही हो सीख लो बैठ जाओ इसके ऊपर चढ़ के बैठ जाओ ऐसे रख लो इसको
वीडियो चालू है ना रे
Ridhima, tell me why we celebrate Christmas.
Good evening and Merry Christmas to everyone. My name is Ridhima Mishra. My name is Vidya Mishra. I tell you about Christmas Day. It is very nice. Very nice festival. Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to all children. I enjoy this festival. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, very good. Now I understood whatever you spoke. Very good. Now you all can clap for Ridhima. Very nice, very good. Okay, so now next turn is the second photo packet of the class, Anya. Anya, tell, why we celebrate Christmas?
Anya Agarwal. Today I introduce how we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is celebrated. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Anya, unmute your mic and speak.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Anya Agarwal. Today I introduce how we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It is a holiday to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Many things we do at Christmas come from earlier festivals, like exchanging presents, eating a lot of food, and decorating a tree. It is a time when we enjoy being with our families, making decorations and other crafts. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Very good, Anya. Very good, very good. So, next one, Shipra. Shipra, unmute your mic and tell us why we celebrate, why we all.
My name is Chipra Gupta. I would like to share how we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is a Christian holiday that refers to the birth of Jesus. Christian belief is the of God. Christians is celebration December 25th every year, and it is a cultural festival of the Christian community. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice time.
Okay, not bad. Okay, very good. Anyone else would like to share their views on it? Anyone? Okay, Rehan is raising hand. Me? How can I recognize you if you say me?
Ma'am Sohani Gupta.
Me? Yeah,
Ma'am,
Sohani. So please take your name.
Ma'am, it's Ritika
Okay.
Khandelwal.
Okay, Aditi. So, Rehan raised his hand first. So, Rehan will tell first, then one by one, Sohani, Ritika, and Aditi. Okay? So, Rehan, unmute your mic quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Rehan. Sorry, Rehan. I was taking the name of Rehan. Sorry. Yes, Rehan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Revan Agarwal. I would like to tell you something about Christmas festival. We celebrate Christmas at 25 December. We cut cake and decorate our
gives gifts and year of Christians, I think.
Rehan, there is some network issues, I think, there. So I'm unable to listen you properly. Okay, so do one thing, just exit from the class and rejoin the class again. Okay, Rehan? Sorry, Rehan. Okay, now you share Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohani Gupta. Today I am gonna tell you why do we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the festival of Christians. On 25th December, Jesus Christ was born. The angels has been said that to the Jesus mother that he will gonna give birth to the God of the holy. Jesus has done lot of sacrifices for them. On Christmas Day, Christians goes to churches and they decorate Christmas trees and they sing carols, do dances and do performance. On Christmas Day, people exchange gifts, do dances, cutting cakes. On Christmas Day, on Christmas Day, there is lots of love between Christians and all of us. Thank you for listening to me.
Okay, very nice, Suhani. Okay, now Ritika and Aditi are left, then we will start today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Aditi, it's your turn.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today I am here to share you how we celebrate Christmas. People celebrate Christmas Day in many ways. It is often combined with Christmas, pre-Christian winter celebrations. Many people decorate their home, visit family or friends, and exchange gifts in the day or even weeks before Christmas Day. People decorate their homes and gardens with Christmas lights, with Christmas gifts, and many more. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay. Now next one, the last one, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am. Dear ma'am, you know Christmas is the very famous festival among the Christians in foreign countries. But nowadays it becomes famous all over the world. All over the people from every state celebrate it and decorate their homes by Christmas tree, Christmas balls, and everywhere jingle bell poem sing by little children in school. There is a speech competition also on the Christmas festival, and teachers give us toffees and chocolates to all children wearing the uniform of Santa Laika festival very much. Santa likes this festival very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I was about to finish this. It was looking like a presentation, but so many of you want to tell me that why we celebrate Christmas. Now Kanishka is saying, ma'am, ask me why we celebrate. So Kanishka, please tell us why we celebrate Christmas.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Kanishka Sharma. I live in Nandurbar. I would like to tell you something about Christmas. Why we celebrate Christmas? People celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It is the birth of people put up Christmas tree in their houses and offices and decorate them. They also exchange gifts. Special prayers are held in churches. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.
Okay, now everybody, now it's finished. So I hope you all have understood that why we celebrate Christmas. Got it? Because this day God Jesus Christ born, and we celebrate Christmas on
Excuse me,
25th
ma'am.
December every year. Yes, you are excused.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Guranshi Goyal.
Yes, Guranshi.
I am telling the Christmas.
Okay, you want to tell? Okay, Guranshi, you can. Why we celebrate it?
On this day, Lord gave. My name is Guranshi Goyal.
Guranshi, I'm not getting your voice.
Guranshi Goyal. I'm studying.
Okay, Guranshi, I'm not getting your voice.
On this day, Lord Jesus was born so Christmas Day.
Okay. Okay, now.
Ma'am,
Okay,
there's a sound coming from somebody's side. Ask that person to be quiet or mute the mic. I think it is from.
What kind of sound it is, sir? Is it a bhajan or something?
The bhajan is going on. Today is a Christmas
Actually,
day.
sir, it is no, sir. It is happening in my background because somebody is playing out there.
Okay, it is from your side. Okay, I thought it is from somebody else's side.
It is from my side.
All right.
Okay, so I already asked him to turn down the volume, but Bhakti is going on out there. I don't know what to do. So we will manage. We will turn on our volume. Okay, so now we come to know why we celebrate Christmas. No. Sir, shall we start the celebration?
Ma'am.
Yes, Rehan. What? Your turn. Okay, sorry. Yes, Rehan. Yes. Now it's your turn. You tell. Why we celebrate Christmas?
We celebrate Christmas because it is the birthday of Jesus. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you are excused, Rehan. Veer, you are excused.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I say Ayushi Sahu.
Okay, I'm getting that. Okay. Wait. Wait. Please have a breathe properly. Wait. Now, Veer is saying, ma'am. Yes, Veer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we are going to start the celebration, okay? Because some of you are getting bored and doing okay? So I don't want it. Actually, सब लोग फिर सो जाएंगे. Everybody will sleep here. I don't want
Ma'am,
it.
I want to say something to you.
You want to say? Okay, say.
Ma'am,
Somebody wants to say something. Yes?
Ma'am, you are looking very cute and beautiful.
Thank you. I made myself I try to make myself like a Santa. Am I looking?
Excuse me.
I don't have
little
dread and I don't have mustaches. I can make black ones. but white I don't have.
Ma'am, I also.
You are the same thing. Okay,
Ma'am, I
so
say something. Ma'am, I say something.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am,
say
there are
something.
many students who are waiting for their dance.
yeah,
As
they
they will
won't.
start,
Yeah,
they will
yes,
continue
so
with
that
their
I,
voices.
but they are, but yes, beta.
No, let the students start their dances and performances so that they can also.
Okay, they are, yes, wait, he is the smallest one. Yes, आप बोलो, आपको क्या बोल रहा है?
My name is Veer Singh. I'm from Baroda. Today I am to tell me.
Ma'am, I'll do a dance.
Christmas Day celebration. Christmas is a joyful celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ.
ये डांस करेगा तो ये क्यों बोल रहा है?
Celebrated on 25th December every year. It is one of the happy, enjoyable festival worldwide. So I'm happy Christmas all of you. Thank you for listening me, ma'am.
You're most welcome. How sweet, Veer. Sir, he is the youngest one. He's just 5 years old. Everybody, please clap for special clapping for Veer. Very nice, Veer. Very good. Very good. Very sweet. Very sweet. Okay, now let's start the dance performance. So, raise your hands who has prepared something in dancing, please. Okay. Okay. Adi is looking first in the line. So, Adi,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes?
Ma'am, Santa is coming in class.
Santa is coming? Okay. So, Santa must be fetching for me or something for me also.
Yes,
Kinshuk?
ma'am.
If Santa
Yes,
is
ma'am.
coming, so he must be fetching something for me. मेरे लिए भी बट सेंटा ने तो मुझसे तो कुछ मैंने तो अपनी विश लिस्ट दी नहीं सेंटा को हाउ ही विल फैच देम okay he has lost now okay you just keep thinking Kinshuk I'll be back okay Adi just tell me a song I'm gonna play
Excuse me,
वो देखो ना
okay so Adi
dance monkey.
unmute your mic and tell me a song
Dance monkey.
which one
Dance monkey.
ये देखो डांस
Dance
डांस
monkey.
Dance monkey. Dance monkey. Monkey.
देखो
Okay,
डांस कर रहा है
dance monkey. Okay, dance monkey. Okay. This one, listen.
अब उठा के पटक देंगे नीचे हो क्या गया तुमसे
Ma'am, I am dancing.
Now,
Ma'am, I want to dancing.
everybody, just be quiet. Let me tell you something.
Ma'am,
No, I'm gonna mute.
ma'am,
Okay. No, wait, Mehan.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now one by one, I'm having everybody's name here in these
I
sheets.
know dancing.
Wait, Mehan, let me complete, please. Okay, I'm having everybody's name here in these sheets. So, मैं जिसके भी नाम की sheet निकालूंगी, that person is to tell their favorite one song and I will play. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Rest all will
Okay,
mute
ma'am.
the mic. Rest all will mute the mic.
Okay, yes, rest will mute their mic. बाकी
जिस-
सब लोग अपने mic को mute करेंगे.
जिसका भी
So,
नाम
should I
बोलेगा
one
सिर्फ
check?
वो अनम्यूट करिए अपने माइक को, जिसका भी नाम बोलता है, राइट? बाकी सब म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने माइक को, जिससे आपको डिस्टरबेंस भी नहीं होगा एंड यू विल एंजॉय द पार्टी, राइट? सब लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए. म्यूट योर माइक फॉर अ व्हाइल.
Yeah.
सभी म्यूट करिए थोड़ी देर के लिए. एवरीबॉडी.
Okay.
खुशी मैम, यू आल्सो म्यूट द माइक. Okay, only Khushi ma'am is left. You mute the mic, ma'am. Okay, everybody's
Okay,
mic is
now
muted. Now ma'am will speak and she'll tell the name, right? Yes, ma'am, you can
Okay,
continue.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, so I'm gonna take out one sheet from this bowl. Okay, let's see whose name comes. Okay, should I take it? Okay. One I'm taking out. Okay, let's see. It is Daksh. Daksh is there in the class? In the party, sorry.
No, ma'am.
Daksh is not here. Okay, so I'm just taking it out. Okay, the next one is Ridhima. Ridhima, where are you? Ridhima? 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 Ridhima is not visible to me.
Ma'am,
Ridhima?
ma'am, Ridhima is
Yes?
prepare for Santa Claus.
Okay, so you dance on behalf of your sister. You dance. Kinshuk will dance on behalf of her sister.
Okay, Kinshuk gonna dance. Okay. Okay, Kinshuk. So now let me know your favorite song. I'm gonna play. Kinshuk, tell me your favorite one.
Ma'am,
Kinshuk,
मुकाबला.
आपको सॉन्ग चूज
Ma'am,
करना है.
मुकाबला.
मुकाबला. Okay. Okay. Mukabla. Okay. So, whoever wants to dance on this song, please stand up and be ready. We are the sound of the street. Very good, Kintu. Very good. Very good. Very good. Clap for Kintu. Why are you clapping, rest of you? You all are not audience here. Audience नहीं बनना आपको. Oh, very good performance. You are to participate. Okay. So I am just taking out another sketch.
I sing this.
Let's see. Next one is Aditi. 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 Tell me your favorite one. Are you there in the party? Aditi, tell me your favorite one. Quickly.
Barish.
Ma'am,
Barish. Barish. Okay.
Ma'am, Barish of Half Girlfriend.
Ma'am, the Santa Claus is ready to come.
Barish of Half Girlfriend.
Let Santa Claus.
Okay, Aditi, I'm gonna play it. Okay? Aditi, I'm gonna play it. Okay? Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Aditi.
Actually, Santa Claus is indicating me again and again. So please let the Santa
Oh.
Claus come in the party.
Okay, Santa. So Santa is going to come in the party, and what we are, so Santa is going to sing something while coming in the party. So Santa, please welcome to the party, Santa. Where is Santa is not visible to me.
ma'am, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Pick one more. Now, may I see my Santa?
One second.
Santa is coming. 1 second.
Ma'am, Santa is coming.
Go. Santa is coming from there. Everybody clap for our Santa.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, Santa
Santa Claus is coming around. Ba, 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 ba.
I will say, hey, yes, jingle all the way. Oh, Santa Claus, jingle all the way. Nothing to the snow, and a banana of the sleigh.
Okay, somebody knows the full line.
And one.
किसी को पूरी पोइम पता है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है. I didn't know it and I don't know. Okay, Ridhima, you did not do proper copy of Santa. Santa does like this.
करो जोर से करो.
Can you hear me? Are you throwing something? Are you taking out from your pocket? I'm ready to catch it. I'm just ready to catch it. Please, throw.
मैं गाना गाना चाहता हूँ.
I have a chocolate.
You have a chocolate. Okay, then please, we want to eat it. Ridhima, no, Santa ji, you are teasing us. You are not giving us. आप हमें चिढ़ा रहे हो, आप हमें खिला नहीं रहे हो.
Ma'am, you open your mouth.
Open my mouth. Okay, let me open my big mouth. Please.
I
can
chocolate. I'll show you.
Okay. Okay, so the game. Okay, Kanishk is also sharing something. Okay. So now I'm taking out another one kid. Yes. आप गाना गाओगे? Okay. सुनाइए कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप? कनिष्क कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप?
जब कोई बात.
जब कोई बात. ओके, तो सुनाइए जब कोई बात.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवाब. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवाब. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवाज. चांदनी जब.
वेरी गुड कनिष्क. कनिष्क, आपको ये सॉन्ग किसने सिखाया? वेरी नाइस. नानी? नानी?
Yes.
Okay, then please come in the frame and sing for us. अभी आप गाओगे एक सॉन्ग. आपने कनिष्क को सिखाया है, अब आप गाओगे.
कौन सा गाना?
Okay.
वही जो मैंने गाया.
वही
जो गाते रहते
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, कि जग पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से। ये अजीब दास्तां।
Okay, very great. Very nice, ma'am. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Everyone, please, Nani. Very nice. Okay. Okay, I forgot to tell the name whose name was there on the last page. It's Suhani. So, Suhani, please let me know your favorite one. Suhani, tell me your favorite song.
Yes.
Unmute your mic.
Ma'am, 52 गज का दामन.
52 गज का दामन. Okay. Okay, पहन के चलूंगी.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not coming.
No, I haven't played it yet.
Ma'am, please hide it.
Over? Okay. Very good, Sehani. Very good. Now,
Thank you.
let me take out. Okay, so abhi now Utkarsh, it's Utkarsh's turn. Utkarsh,
Ma'am,
Utkarsh.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you are excused.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You are excused.
Ma'am, Ridhima will dance.
Oh, Ridhima wants to dance. Okay, Ridhima, tell me your song.
Cham cham.
Chum. Okay. Abhi to now I am going to play Chum. 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 Okay, Ridhima. Okay, Ridhima. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, there are so many shapes. So, one by one, it is not possible. So, let's choose one song and on which song we all going to dance. Okay? अभी एक सॉन्ग चूज करके उस पे हम सब लोग डांस करेंगे. ओके ओके
Song? Ma'am, what English song?
No, normal song Hindi song.
Okay. Ma'am, DJ वाले बाबू.
धीमे धीमे
Ma'am, DJ वाले बाबू. Ma'am, DJ वाले बाबू.
Okay, wait, Hama. Adi, Hama.
Ma'am, DJ वाले बाबू.
DJ वाले बाबू. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Let me ask you, read. आप बताओ.
मैम सबसे बेस्ट सॉन्ग है अमिको टू सीता.
What? Which one?
अमितो को सीता बजाओ. अमितो को सीता.
Yes, Amita Kosita. Okay.
मोटा सीधा
Okay, I'm going to play that.
तू बता दे.
Okay, I will only play this one if you all dance on this. Okay? Anya,
all of you
all of you.
stand up. सभी लोग खड़े हो जाइए. All of you please stand up. सभी मैम will play the song. सभी खड़े हो जाइए. All of you please stand up.
I will also stand up, no problem. I think
Show your
I'm not
camera
there in the
also.
frame.
कुछ लोगों ने कैमरे ऑफ कर रखे हैं. Please turn on your camera
Yes,
also.
turn on your videos, everyone.
It is a party. How are you attending the party? दुपक के.
Yes.
आपने आइए ना. Please come forward.
Now
Sir,
you all
sir,
will
also
if you don't turn
stand
on
and
your
dance.
videos, you will be looking like a ghost. Okay? आप ghost के जैसे दिखोगे. So now you all are to decide. I'm going to play it. Okay, bye. So sir, please join us, you two. Abhi, you just stand up and join us. Abhi's favorite. Abhi, now tell me which song should I play? Another one.
Japani. Japani ma'am. Japani.
No ma'am.
song.
Ma'am, धीमे please.
Okay. I am playing Christmas song.
Please, Javani song.
After it. Okay. After this. I am playing. Jingle bell I am playing. Okay, Adi. Adi, would you? Adi, please sing the song. जवानी आगे क्या है बेटा?
मैम डीजे वाले बाबू सॉन्ग। मैम डीजे वाले बाबू सॉन्ग। धीमे धीमे। मैम
मैम आपका फेवरेट सॉन्ग है, आप वही लगा दीजिए।
आगे
स्पेलिंग गलत दिखी हमारे की। मैम प्लीज धीमे धीमे। सही है हमारे। खोल रहा है।
He is having some problem.
YouTube. मैम धीमे धीमे प्लीज। मैम वन सेकंड उनका सॉन्ग। मैम डीजे वाले बाबू प्लीज।
अरे
मैम डीजे वाले बाबू।
नो
मैम डीजे वाले बाबू नहीं।
अभी मैं अपने फेवरेट वन प्ले करूंगी। You all are to dance on it, ठीक है?
हाँ बच्चों मैम प्ले कर रही है, उस पे डांस करो, बेटर है।
I'm getting confused.
You know how to dance?
मैम द जवानी सॉन्ग। द
Jawani song, बेटा, I just played this one.
ये जवानी है दीवानी फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर।
No, I'm going to play my one.
मुझसे नहीं हो रहा।
No one is dancing.
Ma'am,
Shall we finish this celebration here?
No, ma'am.
Then no one is enjoying.
I am enjoying.
You're enjoying. Okay.
I am enjoying.
Last song I'm going to play. Okay, now some new members are there in the class. Sorry, in the party. So let me ask to them कौन सा song play करना है ना? So you ma'am, you are there with your son. Okay. She's your daughter. Okay. Now you let me know on which song she wants to dance. I will play that one. बेटा आपको कौन सी सॉन्ग पे डांस करना है? नहीं उसको मम्मा की गोद में लेटना है. She wants to lie.
मैम मेरी क्रिसमस ऑलरेडी प्ले
Okay, I have all Merry Christmas. Okay, I have already played. Okay. Okay, so अभी last song I'm going to play. अभी आप मुझे बताओ मैं कौन सा play करूँगी. One song. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है ना. This one अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. This one is the last one. जिसको डांस करना है, you can dance on it. After this one song, I am going to finish the party. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ठीक है?
अभी बैठे बैठे करना है ना.
ठीक से करो.
ओए बाइक
मस्त लग रहा था देख.
Okay, अभी सब लोग मुझे कॉपी करेंगे. Sit down. Sit down. अभी everybody gonna copy me. ठीक है? सब कॉपी कैट बनेंगे. Okay? Copy cat. Okay, as I do, you all are to do. Got it? Copy cat.
Got it, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. अभी सभी लोग कॉपी कैट बनेंगे. Wow. Okay? So, playing the same song. It's gonna be fun.
इसको नहीं देखो इधर आओ। इधर देखो आओ। करो आप भी करो ऐसे करो करो आप भी करो अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे गुड गुड हाँ गिफ्ट
Enjoy.
अभी फिनिश करिए सेलिब्रेशन और कोई मस्ती करनी है। What बेटा? Show me your card. Okay, show me your card.
पार्थ बोला गुड मॉर्निंग गुड इवनिंग
Very nice. I can see.
पक्का भैया
Oh, very pretty. Very nice, Anya. Oh, very nice. Look at Anya's card, everyone. She made it such a beautiful card. Very nice, Anya. Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, Anya. Very good.
Very nice.
pretty.
Very good.
Anya, very nice. Very nice,
Anya,
Anya.
send me a picture of it. Okay, Anya? Okay.
I'll enjoy.
Okay. Now clap for Anya, everyone. Very beautiful card she made. Very beautiful card. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to finish the celebration. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas to you, ma'am.
Merry Christmas, ma'am. Happy Merry Christmas.
Ma'am.
Merry Christmas, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am. Merry Christmas.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Good night, ma'am. Bye. Merry Christmas.
Ma'am, Merry Christmas. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.